Okay, question number 3. Start the timer. Right. An object is sliding from rest. What do you mean by rest? U equal to 0. Frictionless inclined plane. The object slides 1 meter during the first second. At t equal to 1 second, this was the position of the object. What is the distance moved by the object in the next second? That means at t equal to 2 seconds, the object is somewhere over here. And he is asking you what is the distance. What will be the distance of the object during the next second. What is this distance moved over here? Many of them think this is 1 meter here. This should also be 1 meter, which is incorrect. Let us reason this, analyze it. So towards it. Now since u equal to 0, distance moved s1 should be equal to ut plus half at square, which should be 0 plus half a into 1. So which means from here what do I get? I get a is equal to 2 meter per second square. I push this here and therefore S1 is equal to 1 here, right? Already S1 is equal to 1 here. So I get A value equal to 2. Second time when I do the same thing, S2 should be equal to 0 plus half into 2 into 2 square, which is 4 over here. Taken more than a minute. So 2 ones are 2 2s are goes over here. 2 ones are here. So S2 should be equal to 4 meter. Now what is this S2? The total distance from here to here is given over here. But what is that I need? It is 4 meter over here. So what is that I need? I need only this one, which I get it by subtracting this 4 meter from this 1 meter. So 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 meter. The answer is 3 meter. Okay, let us move on to the question number 4.